On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm answering the often asked question, what are kettlebells good for? In particular, are kettlebells better than dumbbells for weight loss and muscle building? Are they safe for beginners and seniors? So to be respectful of your time, I've added timestamps to all the questions and answers on the screen and in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. After you click the like button and subscribe. If you want to. Thanks. So what's better for weight loss and muscle building? Weightlifting with kettlebells or dumbbells? So kettlebells and dumbbells are both great for weight loss and muscle building, but serve different purposes. So kettlebells are ideal for weight loss due to dynamic, full body exercises like kettlebell swings and kettlebell snatches, which burn calories and improve cardiovascular conditioning. They engage multiple muscle groups, promoting functional strength. Now, dumbbells, on the other hand, are better for isolating specific muscles and creating greater time under tension, which is key for muscle growth. So while kettlebells excel in explosive movements and endurance, dumbbells are better for strength training and progressive overload, making them ideal for muscle building. Both can also support weight loss when used in circuits. 5 best kettlebell exercises for weight loss. So the 5 best kettlebell exercises for weight loss are the kettlebell swing, a full body movement that targets the hips, glutes, and core, boosting calorie burn and cardiovascular fitness while strengthening muscles. The kettlebell goblet squat engages the legs, glutes, and core, improving lower body strength and stability, leading to higher calorie expenditure. The single arm kettlebell clean and press, a dynamic full body move that enhances strength, coordination, and endurance while torching calories. The single arm kettlebell snatch increases heart rate, engages the whole body, and improves power and explosiveness, making it great for fat loss. The kettlebell Turkish get-up strengthens the core, shoulders, and hips while improving mobility, stability, and overall functional fitness, which aids fat loss. So these exercises elevate your heart rate, build muscle, and burn fat, making them highly effective for weight loss. 5 best kettlebell exercises for muscle building. So the 5 best kettlebell exercises for muscle building are kettlebell swing. Targeting the glutes, hamstrings, and core, this explosive movement builds power and strengthens posterior chain muscles. The kettlebell goblet squat engages the quads, glutes, and core, promoting lower body strength and hypertrophy. The single arm kettlebell clean and press, a full body exercise that builds upper body strength, including shoulders, back, and arms, while engaging the core. The kettlebell gorilla row strengthens the back, arms, and shoulders, helping improve posture and upper body mass. The kettlebell Turkish get-up targets the shoulders, core, and hips, improving stability and functional strength. So these exercises focus on large muscle groups, promoting hypertrophy and overall muscle development. Are kettlebells good for beginners? Here are the 5 best kettlebell exercises for beginners. So kettlebells can be good for beginners when used with proper form and gradual progression, as they target multiple muscle groups to improve strength, endurance, balance, coordination, and mobility. So start by building a strong foundation with basic movements, including these 5 best beginner kettlebell exercises. The kettlebell deadlift, a great way to build foundational strength in the legs, glutes, and lower back, focusing on proper form and posture. The kettlebell goblet squat, strengthen the lower body and core while promoting mobility and balance. The kettlebell swing, improve cardiovascular fitness, hip power, and core stability with a full body calorie burning exercise. The single arm kettlebell military press, build upper body strength and stability, especially in the shoulders and arms. The kettlebell gorilla row, strengthen the back, shoulders, and arms while improving posture and overall upper body strength. Are kettlebells okay for seniors? 5 kettlebell exercises for older adults. Kettlebells can be safe and beneficial for seniors when used with proper form and appropriate weight. Kettlebell exercises for older adults are proven to help improve strength, muscle mass, bone density, and cardiovascular health. This is essential for you to improve your balance, coordination, and flexibility, thus preventing falls and maintaining independence as you age. So the 5 best kettlebell exercises for older adults are kettlebell deadlift. Strengthen the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, improving posture and preventing falls. The kettlebell goblet squat. Enhance lower body strength and mobility, helping with everyday activities like sitting and standing. The kettlebell swing boosts cardiovascular fitness, build core stability, and improve hip strength for better functional movement. The kettlebell gorilla row strengthens the upper back and arms, promoting good posture and aiding in shoulder stability. The single arm kettlebell military press builds shoulder strength and stability, which is crucial for overhead movements and everyday tasks. So what kettlebell weight should a beginner and senior start with? The best kettlebell weight for beginners typically ranges from, for men, 12 to 16 kilograms or 26 to 35 pounds. For women, 8 to 12 kilograms or 18 to 26 pounds. For seniors, 4 to 8 kilograms or 9 to 18 pounds to start, depending on your strength and experience. So beginners should choose a weight that challenges them without compromising form, while seniors may prefer lighter weights to focus on controlled, safe movements. So both groups should prioritize proper technique and gradually increase weight as strength and confidence improves. So here's how you can combine kettlebells and calisthenics into one workout. So to combine kettlebells and calisthenics, you can alternate between body weight exercises and kettlebell movements for a balanced full body workout. For example, the following body weight exercises build foundational strength and mobility: push-ups, air squats, and forearm planks. So to target different muscle groups and increase intensity, add the following kettlebell exercises: the kettlebell swing, the kettlebell goblet squat, and the kettlebell gorilla row. So the following full body workout circuit combines kettlebells and calisthenics exercises to enhance cardiovascular endurance, strength building, and improving functional fitness. So in circuit format, perform push-ups, followed by kettlebell swing, followed by body weight lunges, followed by kettlebell cleans. Then adjust the sets and reps based on your fitness level, ensuring you challenge yourself while maintaining proper form. So what are kettlebells good for? Kettlebells are great for improving strength, endurance, and mobility. They effectively target multiple muscle groups due to their unique shape and offset center of gravity, which promotes functional fitness. So kettlebell exercises like swings, cleans, snatches combine strength and cardio, boosting cardiovascular health while enhancing muscular power. They also help improve balance and coordination by engaging core muscles, and they increase flexibility, especially in the hips and shoulders. So overall, kettlebells provide a full body workout, improving strength, stability, and athletic performance. So do we use kettlebells in our programs? So kettlebells are an excellent tool to mix in with your training. However, the primary reason many of our workouts don't include kettlebells is due to the limited accessibility for most people. So unfortunately, a lot of commercial gyms don't have kettlebells, therefore people can't use them, or they keep them locked up with a chain in a separate room where only the trainers can use them. And when I've asked gym managers about this, they've explained that members are more likely to injure themselves with kettlebells because without proper supervision from a trainer, they can be more dangerous than dumbbells and barbells. And to be honest, I find this a bit unreasonable considering there are plenty of other pieces of gym equipment besides kettlebells where you can potentially injure yourself. So ultimately, I love kettlebells because they're a versatile tool with endless possibilities for exercises. For example, if you're scared to deadlift because you've been told that deadlifts hurt your back, the kettlebell deadlift is an excellent deadlift progression that is easy for beginners. And just to be clear, deadlifts don't hurt your back. Deadlifts done wrong hurt your back. So on our Liveling TV Daily Exercises YouTube channel, I demonstrate proper form for numerous kettlebell exercises you can do, including all the ones mentioned in this video. So make sure you go subscribe to our Liveling TV Daily Exercises channel as well. And question of the day. Let me know in the comments, do you use kettlebells in your workouts? And which is your favorite kettlebell exercise? And if you found this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to our Liveling TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. So now I want you to go check out this post right here where I share a follow along 10-minute full body kettlebell workout. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.